Alright, so this is how the drag racing video starts. Right here, I get to push Gary's car up to the starting line.
Hopefully you make it go faster.
Exactly. You're gonna do a wheelie, right?
I turned it down, so probably not.
Okay, yeah, no wheelies. But yeah, guys, this is the deal. We're kicking off the drag racing portion because this is my favorite part. As you can see, we got factory stock, we got coyote stock. It's I'm super excited. We're about to go to the starting line and see some wheelies. This is gonna be a good day, I can already tell you. I'm gonna tell you this right here, this is what it's all a freaking about. Factory stock lighting off, stands are full. Oh my God, y'all. This is what I live for. I know you guys saw, there he is, there's the Burnout Master from Myrtle Beach. doing, buddy? This is round 2 of True Street. They're gonna probably be running all night. But as you can see, all the way back there, looks like probably the full quarter mile, half mile. They keep on coming. Too much badassery. Excuse me, sir, do you need help pushing your vehicle, sir? I got you run.
Come on, man,
She's
I'm working hard. Hardly working.
He's working hard for your money today, ladies and gentlemen. Would you like to thank your sponsors at this point, sir?
Oz Tuning, Automotive Cleaning Solutions, and
Foxcast Media. What about
Foxcast. Come on.
Hey, I don't pay the bills, but I'll help push.
I'll take that.
Yeah. Man, this is how many cars in the field today?
140.
God bless. Of course, we've seen 200 before,
I think so.
but man, this is crazy. The sun's starting to come down a little bit. A whole lot of racing to go. How much were you spraying on that last pass?
150.
150. She's moving. All right, guys, so there you go. That's pretty much a wrap from Bowling Green, Kentucky. As you can see, freaking beautiful night. Cars for days. We're going to be here all night racing. Absolutely amazing time. And if you've never been to the Holley Ford Festival or the NMRA World Finals, I'm just going to go ahead and tell you, be here next year because it's insane. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And we're going to get back on some builds. It's going to be epic. Don't miss a minute. Later.